let's make some overnight oats, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love this recipe. I love this recipe because it's quite filling, and if at all you have this for breakfast, you do not need to eat anything else during the day. And without further ado, let's get started. I'll start off by measuring quarter cup of oats. So as I've earlier mentioned, this particular recipe is very filling because oats is filling and some chia seeds are also filling. So why wouldn't you want to try this recipe? Then I'll go in with about half a teaspoon of some chia seeds. And by the way, I've also done a similar recipe where I used some strawberries. You can also check out that particular recipe and make whichever you prefer. So today I'm using a banana because that's what I had, and it's also going to turn out great. Now that we have mixed the chia seeds and the oats, we'll need some sweetener, of which I have decided to use honey so that I can make this as healthy as possible. You can also use some sugar if at all you do not have the honey, but if at all you have the honey, why not? Then, as you can see, we are almost coming to an end. And just a recap, I've used quarter cup of oats, half a teaspoon of some chia seeds, about a tablespoon or your preference of honey or also sugar. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of milk, and by so I'm going to add 2 quarters. Then I'm just going to mix this a little bit. And as I've also earlier mentioned, these are called overnight oats because you make them overnight. As you can see right now, we have a very thin consistency. By tomorrow morning, you'll see the magic. So I'm going to cover this with a cling film. And the beauty about also this recipe, you can make this in the morning and you can store it in the fridge or carry it to your workplace and you have it as lunch. It's very filling, I promise you. So just like that, then you're going to store this in the fridge and I'll see you tomorrow morning. So this is about 6 hours later and this is what we have. And as you can see, it has now solidified. So I'm going to chop my banana. Then this is ready to be enjoyed. Wow, tastes so good. It's so good. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.